gents, Six Figs here from YouTube, and we're going to be talking about the one and only Dfinity's internet computer price action charts in this video. We won't be covering any of the ecosystem news. We'll save that for another video, maybe Tuesday. But we know that there is some significant advancements and turnaround in the negative publicity of internet computer and Dfinity. We are successfully turning this ship around. We've got people like BitBoy Crypto, who has been made aware of all the things that FTX did to ICP and Ronin Network. And he has been graceful enough to use his platform and booming voice to kind of come to the rescue. So I need you guys to go over there and show him all the support you possibly can. And we're going to take this thing to the moon, and we will holler as loud as we can to make this information known about the bad actors that shed all this negative light on on internet computer. And I will not stop doing that until internet computer has rounded that corner. But we're going to get into the charts right now, so let's go. So I do appreciate everyone being here today. For the last, I don't know, few weeks, I've been talking about how this falling wedge could produce some very nice bullish results. And there is, this looks good. We're seeing this falling wedge produce some nice results. But there's also some things going on behind the scenes when it comes to price action and where this movement could possibly go. Well, we're going to double back to this daily chart. Really, I've been talking about the last 2 weeks how important it was for ICP to come up and test this 50 moving average. And we need to pass through this thinner part of the Ichimoku cloud. This is why you guys need to subscribe to this channel. And unfortunately, for the last 3 days, you can see how price has been trying to get ahead of the 50 moving average, and we're seeing this price get beat down by the 50 moving average. So this is not a good thing to be seen at the moment. Unfortunately, it is what it is. The pissing match between Binance and FTX right now, I think this is not financial or trading advice, folks. I want to make that very, very, very clear to everyone. But I do think that we could be seeing a lot of selling here as investors might be getting scared. When it comes down to, I don't want to say a black swan event. It very well could happen, but I don't think so. FTX is left with a few options to save the FTT token. And as I think about this, CZ wants to really sell off hundreds and hundreds of millions worth of FTT token. FTX is going to have two options here. They can buy back the tokens with whatever cash they have on hand as the market, as these tokens come onto the market. If they don't have enough cash on hand to buy these tokens back at these prices, they might resort to selling other tokens like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance token, stuff like that to drag the market down. And then FTX could recapture these tokens at a later date for pennies on the dollar, perhaps. So right now, I'm kind of feeling out the market. I've got this bearish feeling. It sucks, but it is what it is. Here we are. We've got a spinning top on the weekly chart. That's still bullish, but we might trade sideways or lower for another few weeks if all this stuff goes down, like I'm kind of thinking it might. But right now, on the one-day chart for ICP, you can see that the last 3 days price action, actually the last 4 days, price action has been trying to break through this 50 moving average. And we're getting shut down. We're getting shot away from the 50 moving average. So I do think that we might see the Internet Computer Token kind of give way here a little bit. And you can almost see that there might have even been some sort of Elliott wave theory move to the upside. So it wouldn't surprise me if we got some sort of ABCDE corrective wave to the downside. I guess the one thing that I am concerned about most at this point in time, there is this opportunity for a bearish reversal in the form of a head and shoulders pattern. Head and shoulders patterns, folks, are very bearish, to be seen, but we may see ICP kind of do one of these things. It's possible. So it wouldn't surprise me going into like this next week or two if we see ICP really start trending down this low. I mean, we might be looking at a $5 ICP token. It is what it is. Depending on, what could happen with this market. So let's just say there's this massive showdown between FTX and Binance. We could be looking at this $5.07 level, $4.87 level with ICP. We need to just kind of wait to see what happens with this situation, see what kind of volatility the market experiences over the next day or two with ICP and things like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're looking for other informational videos on Internet Computer, stick around for the end screens, and I've got some stuff I've made over the last few months about dApps, things like that in the Internet Computer ecosystem. See you guys all in the next video.